Okay, welcome to Ravenwood Rod Shop in Cortez, Colorado. It is mid-April. The Iran war is in full swing in the middle of a ceasefire. Should end on Tuesday, but we'll see what happens with that. Right now, we are, before we get back on our 1966 Chevy Impala fuel injection install, we decided it'd be easier to go ahead and get us a two-post lift. We've been wanting one for a while. It is made by AutoKato, which is a Chinese, Japanese, some kind of Asian company. KA Tools, I believe, makes it. I'm going to show you a few things at the beginning of this, how I decided to put mine together. This is strictly because I can in my shop. I have an engine hoist I built a few years ago with a trolley and an I-beam on top. So we decided to go ahead and mount the upper portion of this M120 lift together, and that way we can utilize these notches here and the steel edge to hook our hooks to, as you can see up here, and a short piece of chain. Okay, and that way we can hoist it on up with the trolley and the hoist on that onto one side of the engine hoist frame. Got it put in place. It lifted it up and hovered over the ground just barely, and we got that put in exactly where we want it to be, and we'll nudge it around and get it anchored in here pretty soon. In my case, this lift does come with a two-piece bolt together top pulley support and lift support, which is nice because I can mount one of these at a time on the very top of my uprights. Now, luckily, I didn't plan it this way, but my engine hoist is just slightly lower, which is awesome because I can roll it out a little bit from that upright and rest one of the uprights that's laying on the floor over there, or cross member, and bolt it together with one at a time. Get one up, and then I can do the other one as well, the same way, and bolt them together in the middle after it's all done. So that's going to make it a lot easier, a lot lighter to deal with. Working on ladders, I got two really tall ladders, so that won't be a problem. Anyway, stand by. We're going to be working on this together. Another cool trick that we've figured out is putting the uprights on our car dollies, and makes it real easy to move them around and get them exactly where you want them before you start lifting them up. Otherwise, a good floor jack would work, but these car dollies really help move it around.